All right, in this stoic one, we're going to do how many moles of chlorine gas are needed to produce 291.68 grams of hydrogen chloride. And they gave us the equation, and they did give it to us balanced. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorines, 2 chlorines. So we start with what we know, 291.68 grams of HCl. And we know we always have to get to moles. So looking on my map, grams to moles. And so I'll be dividing by the molar mass of HCl, because that's what grams is. Number of grams in 1 mole is our molar mass. Hydrogen is 1.01, chlorine is 35.45, so 36.46 grams of hydrogen chloride are in 1 mole. If we stopped here, we'd have moles, but we'd have moles of HCl, and we want to find moles of chlorine gas. So now the next part is we have to change our elements, and every single time you have to change your elements, you have to use the mole ratio. Every time to go from element A to element B, or in this case, hydrogen chloride to chlorine gas, you have to use the mole ratio. So right now we have HCl. So HCl has to go on the bottom because it's the one we're leaving. There's 2 moles of HCl for every 1 mole, because remember, if they don't say anything, you assume there's a 1 mole of chlorine gas. Notice your answer would have been wrong if you did not have chlorine as diatomic, because you would have had a 2 there, and then you would have gotten no points on the equation. So make sure you have a balanced chemical equation and you've written each of the species correctly. So this would be 291.68 divided by the quantity of 36.46 times 2, or 291.68 divided by 36.46 equals, and then divided by 2, so that you don't mess up the calculator and it flipping it to the other side. Okay, so the answer when we get there is 4 moles, but we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs. So 4 is only 1 sig fig, so we need to add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moles chlorine gas. Number or magnitude, units, and species.